Okay, we'll continue another exercise. Again, referring to handout page 50, which is this drawing over here. We're gonna draw exercise 5, which is a lever. Okay, here we have all the details. Basically, here we have two circles, one radius 20 and one diameter 20. Make sure you don't get confused because there are mixed measurements, although they are both 20, but one is referring to the radius and one is referring to the diameter. Then on the right hand side we have a circle diameter 80, so again radius 40, and the square in the middle 24 side. Okay, then we have an under arc which is 100 radius, center unknown, we need to find it, and we have radius 38, again center unknown, we need to find it. Okay, so to start up, and here we have 115 millimeter. Be careful because 115 is 11.5 centimeters. Don't get confused over there. Okay, so to start up, we're gonna draw a horizontal line. We can preferably do it in line with the other one to be in line the drawing. Okay, we're gonna move 35 millimeter from the vertical line. So basically to start up you're gonna measure 35 millimeter or 34, and we're gonna draw a vertical center line. Okay, so we're gonna measure 35 and we're gonna draw a vertical center line. The horizontal center line U is already done, and then we're gonna measure 115 millimeter, which is 11.5 centimeters, and we're gonna draw the outer circle, which is 40 radius. Okay, and this circle is 20 radius. The inner circle, which is radius 10, you can do it at the end because in real it's not part of the construction work, and even the square over here you can do it at the end because it's not again part of the construction work, which is 24 each side. Okay, so the most important thing is this circle, which is radius 20, the outer circle. I'm gonna do it outline to enhance it a bit for now, and this circle of radius 40, I'm gonna do it outline as well. Okay, so referring back to the handout, let's focus on this circle 100, which lies over here under here. Okay, this 100, if you're noticing, is big enough to get inside the radius of 40 and the radius of 20. So here we have situation 2, where we need to do subtraction. So, and the subtraction, we refer back to the notes. Here we have subtraction. The only difference is that the situation is upside down. To give you a quick idea, if I had to turn this drawing, I have the same situation. You see, the arc is on the outside and the two circles are on the inside, but still the same principle, subtraction. So what we're gonna do is 100 minus 20 and 100 minus 40. Okay, so how we're gonna do this? So 100 minus 20 gives us 80. From here I'm gonna do an arc of 80. In your case, just do an arc in the upper part only. Here we have 100 minus 40, which gives us 60. And here we have an intersection. That intersection is the most important part. Alright? So the first arc, this one we did it by 100 minus 20, which is 80 millimeter, and the other arc, which is this, we did it 100 minus 40, 60. Okay, now that we found the center, using lines directed to the centers, which we call points of contact. Okay, we're gonna extend them. Okay, the points of contact, as we said previously, their meaning, the arc of 100 is gonna start from here and gonna end there. Okay, with the compass properly sharpened, you're gonna draw the arc of 100. Make sure it fits properly, not like this. Okay, so that is the 100 arc. Okay, radius 100. So to do that situation we did subtraction. Now I'm gonna refer back to the handout. Here we have radius 38. Hopefully by now you're understanding what method we need to do. So here we have an addition situation. So the 38 is plus 20 and the 38 plus 40. Okay, because the 38 is touching both circles from the outside. Okay, so 38 plus 20, I'm gonna use a different color. 38 plus 20, 58. From this center, I'm gonna open 58. I know there's a lot of confusion, but keep concentrated and for sure you will manage to do it. Here we have 38 plus 40, so 78. From here 78, and we have an intersection over here. I'm interested in that particular arc. As I always said, in your case you don't need to do the full circles as I did over here, just do the arcs. Okay, when you find the center, always draw the lines of contact. I'm gonna do them in red in this case. From here to the center, and from here to the center. Okay, open 38 and for sure the arc will fit perfect, touching both circles. Again, you only need the starting and the ending point of the arc. Okay, you can do it in bold to enhance the drawing as it should be. We do the square and the inner circle, both outline, and the drawing is done properly. We're gonna label lever because that's what it's called. A lever is a mechanical part. Alright, which pulls something in a machinery. Alright, so basically, as a resume, we started by doing the both circles on the outside, which are 115 millimeter apart, 11.5 centimeters. The radius 100, we noticed that we need to do subtraction because it is big enough that both circles are on the inside, so we did 100 minus 20 and 100